Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, we will learn how to create a real-time theme adjustment panel with CSS and JavaScript. Like this, we can change background color, text color, and accent color. Changes will be reflected as we adjust the colors. It can be a nice little project for CSS or JavaScript. You can also incorporate such panel in a website that showcases multiple color themes. Let's build it. Okay, so this is clean slate. Inside container, this is the HTML that shows like this: background color, text color, accent color, and these are inputs, color inputs, inputs with type color. Each has a unique ID: background color, text color, accent color, with a default value, input with type color. And then we have a div with class box. Let's add some CSS. These are our styles. And here is our root level CSS. On the root level, I have declared 3 variables with colors as their values. I will call these variables in the CSS. These variables have color values that can be changed on demand. One variable for background color, one variable for text color, and another for accent color. Then I have styling for body, background color, that is coming from here, from root, for background color, and the color for text color. I want to change the background color of this page and text color. So I have used those variables from the root for body background color and text color in the body. Next, we have some styles for the input with the type color, margin, and cursor. Then styling for the box. It will use background color from the root and color from the root as well. This is our page. Background color, text color. We can select background color from here, text color from here, and accent color from here. Then we will reflect these colors on the page. Point to note. In this example, we only care about the CSS variables because these values will be changed. That will make the difference. Okay, now that we have the basic structure and we can move a few things in the app, it's time to use JavaScript and react to changes made in input values. So now we'll use JavaScript. In script tags, get all the inputs by their IDs. You can also use classes or query selector. I have used getElement by ID, background color, text color, accent color, and then we have these variables: background color input, text color input, accent color input. We have selected these inputs. We will get values from these inputs, and then we'll add event listeners to each input, like these: background color input dot add event listener input, and then the event. On all these three, we have added input event listener. When these values will be changed, we will get those changes. And what will we do with that information? This is dynamically updating CSS variable to change the background color of the web page when a user interacts with the input field. The input event is triggered whenever the value of input field changes. Event.target.value retrieves the current value of the input field, and style.setProperty method sets a new value for a property on a CSS style declaration object. Here, style.css property is being used to set the value of our CSS variable in the root. So this code ensures the background color CSS variable is updated based on the user's input, dynamically changing the background color of the body, because this color is being used here as a background color for the body. And same for the other inputs, for text color and for accent color input. So let's see, background color this, and text color white. Accent color, let's choose this one. and it is working fine. We can change background color, text color, and accent color. We can add more variables and CSS to change many other styles for the page according to our need, basically. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.